Day 62. My bot, Pailflow, now joins any room without tokens, without hosting, and without the complexity I thought I needed. So originally the thinking with Pailflow was one endpoint gets you everything you need to, was this like embeddable agent within a video call, one endpoint, you get the video link, you get the, to show up at, you get the agent link. I would host it, obviously, like the video call portion. But as I have started to kind of onboard people and think about how to track usage, that whole, the actual hosting of the video call became very scary. I'm going to charge by participant minute. And so that would mean that I would need to charge anybody who uses it by participant minute. Generally, kind of breaks the mental model of what we think about with just like video calls. You've got Google Meet, you've got Zoom, you've got Teams, you've got Slack huddles, and no one's kind of restricting you by minutes. Hosting or like joining video calls is already a solved problem, and I kind of didn't want to be inside of that. And so, with that original framing of hosting and knowing that I would get usage costs by participant, I had a couple of options. Add a little bit of a markup or pass through the costs, but that would also require a ton of tracking of what that actual usage was. Ask people to just bring their own API keys and just like bring your own API keys for the video call piece. I'll figure out the bot piece. Also not great because I don't, if I don't have to touch anybody else's API keys, I really don't want to. Hosting video calls is solved. Getting a bot into a call is solved. It's really not that hard. And so the real value that I hope to provide isn't necessarily in the fact that it can be done, like the nuts or the substrate, but it's in what the bot actually does. And stripping away, I deleted so much code, stripping away all of those other pieces and just focusing on, okay, like we won't worry about what happens to get a room created. We won't worry about where you actually join the video calls. We'll just use whatever you're using and then have the bot join, do its work for you. Much, much simpler surface. So Pailflow is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. That is my joy for today. And thank you for tuning in.